Wondering if you can stage your home yourself? I've got 5 home staging tips you absolutely need to hear. I'm Marco Krafka, a local realtor here in the Waterloo region, and today we're diving into the art of home staging. Let's explore how you can make your home shine without hiring a professional. Tip 1. Clean, clean, clean. First things first, cleanliness is crucial. A spotless home immediately shows care and maintenance. I know it's tough, especially with kids or pets, but let's focus on the key areas to ensure your home sparkles. Start by power washing the exterior. Remove dirt, grime, and mildew from your driveway, walkways, and outdoor surfaces. A clean exterior boosts curb appeal and sets a positive tone. Speaking of curb appeal, although it's not in my 5 tips today, don't forget to maintain a manicured lawn, a fresh welcome mat, and some potted plants. Now, let's move inside. Clean every corner, starting with the windows. Make them crystal clear to let natural light flood in and highlight the view. Wipe down ceiling fans, light fixtures, and remove cobwebs. Dust and polish furniture and vacuum or mop all floors. Sanitize frequently touched surfaces like doorknobs and switches. A clean home not only looks appealing but also gives buyers peace of mind. In the kitchen, focus on appliances. Clean the oven, stove, and microwave thoroughly. Wipe down the fridge and ensure it smells fresh. Scrub the sink area and keep it sparkling. An immaculate kitchen is often the heart of the home for buyers. Lastly, don't neglect baseboards and trim. Wipe them down to remove dust and grime. Attention to detail makes a big difference. A spotless environment creates a positive impression, allowing potential buyers to appreciate your home's beauty. Tip 2. Declutter like a pro. Next, let's talk decluttering. A cluttered space can make even the cleanest home feel chaotic. Start by organizing room by room, removing items that aren't necessary or don't enhance your home's aesthetic. Consider donating or selling items you no longer need. Focus on storage areas like closets, cabinets, and drawers. Keeping them neat showcases your home's ample storage potential. If you're short on time, pack items into labeled moving boxes and store them neatly in the garage or basement. Minimize personal items and create a neutral, inviting atmosphere. Remove family photos and specific decorations to help buyers envision themselves in the space. Clear countertops, minimize furniture, and create an open, spacious feel. Decluttering sets the stage for a visually appealing home that leaves a lasting impression. Tip 3. The magic of fresh paint. Now let's discuss the transformative power of fresh paint. A new coat can breathe life into your home and make it more appealing. Choose neutral colors like warm beige or soft gray, creating a calming backdrop that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Focus on high-traffic areas like the living room and kitchen and touch up scuffs on walls, doors, and baseboards. A fresh coat of paint improves aesthetic appeal and signals a well-maintained, move-in-ready home. Choose paint finishes wisely. Matte or eggshell finishes work well for walls, while semi-gloss adds sophistication to trims and doors. These details create a cohesive and inviting space that buyers will love. Tip 4. Light up your space. Lighting is crucial in home staging. Well-lit spaces leave a positive impression. Maximize natural light by opening curtains and blinds. Natural light creates a warm atmosphere, making your space feel inviting. If your home lacks natural light, invest in brighter bulbs or LED fixtures. Ensure all rooms are well lit to showcase their best features. Consider task lighting, adding table or floor lamps to create cozy reading corners or highlight specific areas. Strategic lighting adds depth and ambiance. Don't forget outdoor lighting. Illuminate your porch, pathways, and backyard to extend the usable space and create an inviting atmosphere. Tip 5. Finishing touches. Finally, it's time for those finishing touches that make your home irresistible. Start with fresh flowers or plants to add life and color. Place a bouquet on the dining table or a potted plant near the entrance. These natural elements make your home feel vibrant. Upgrade your bathroom with fluffy towels and stylish accessories. Display fresh towels neatly and add scented candles or decorative soaps for a spa-like feel. These small touches transform an ordinary bathroom into a luxurious oasis. Add a cozy throw blanket and decorative pillows to your living room. This creates a sense of comfort and warmth, helping buyers envision themselves relaxing in your space. Invest a little in decor to get higher offers on your home. Bonus tip: flooring decisions. One common question from sellers is whether to replace flooring or offer an allowance. It varies by market and house, but here's my take. There are two types of buyers: those who want a move-in ready home and those looking for a deal. If you want top dollar, replace the carpet and paint the walls. If you're targeting deal seekers, an allowance might work. And there you have it. 5 fantastic home staging tips to help you stage your home like a pro. A clean, well-maintained home with neutral colors, proper lighting, and perfect finishing touches can make all the difference in attracting buyers. Implement these tips and watch your beautifully staged home captivate buyers.